Valve's Steam platform is the biggest repository of games, both online and offline, that anyone can enjoy at this time. If you plan on playing a game on Steam, you will need to make sure that you make an account first. The process is easy and can be completed in a few minutes. Once you've finished creating a Steam account, you can then begin to select from thousands of games and download them to your computer. We hope that this brief tutorial will help you start enjoying the joys of playing Steam games. Creating a Steam account is simple. Here's how. First, make sure that you only download the client from official Steam website. Once you've installed the client, open it. Then, click on Create a New Account. Make sure that you enter a valid email address. It's also important that you pick the right country to avoid complications later on. Go to the bottom of the form and put a checkmark on the I agree box and select Continue button. Go to your email, find the email from Steam, and click on the verification link that says Create My Account. Enter your preferred account name and passwords. You're going to use this every time you sign into Steam clients. Click on Complete Sign Up buttons. Tap Continue button. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to know our latest videos in the future.